Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I took this inexpensive wall clock from Walmart and turned it into this really beautiful gold glam wall mirror using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I picked up an inexpensive wall clock from Walmart. This clock was $3.88. In addition to that, I stopped by my local Dollar Tree and picked up some clear plastic spoons, some of their assorted beads, some clear acrylic gems, some silver picks, some gemstone stickers, some Mod Podge, and a sponge brush. And items that I already had included some gold glitter, spray paint, strong adhesive, and my glue gun and Gorilla Glue sticks. I have the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove these small screws from the back of the wall clock, and then I removed the face of the clock from the glass and cover. Next, I removed the hands from the clock, and I gave the clock a coat of my Rust-Oleum gold metallic spray paint. I also spray painted the beads and the clock hands with my silver metallic spray paint as well. Next, I used my pruning shears to cut the handles from the spoons. I cut 35 of the spoons in all. Once my beads were dry, I used my Gorilla Hot Glue to attach the acrylic gems on top of my silver metallic beads. As you can see, I spray painted the top of the beads and the sides, but I wasn't very concerned about the bottom of the beads because this side of the bead won't be shown. Next, I used a combination of my strong adhesive and my hot glue to attach 5 of the beads to each of my spoon handles. And once I was done completing all 35 handles, I had something that looked like this. Once my clock was dry, I made a mixture of Mod Podge and fine gold glitter, and I added a thin layer of that mixture to the face of my wall clock. At the last minute, I decided to do something different to the face of the clock that I'll show you a little bit later on in the project. I also used some gems that I already had. I think I purchased these from Michael some time ago and only had a couple of them remaining. And I put them in the 12, 3, 6, and 9 positions. I marked on my clock where the 12 position was. I thought it would be relatively easy for me to eyeball and place my 3, 6, and 9 positions, but that was a mistake. I should have marked all 4 of those positions because I ended up having to reposition these gems later. So if you decide to recreate this project, you'll want to make markings in some way to indicate where those gems should be positioned. I then used a generous amount of E6000 and Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my spoon handles. I made sure that I held each handle in place about 20 or 30 seconds so that the hot glue could set. I added those handles all the way around my mirror, and when I came to the last one, I didn't have room to add another handle, so I removed one of the gems from the handle and then I slid that one in place. That way I didn't have to overlap the gems and I was able to complete the project. I then flipped my design over and then I used hot glue to attach a silver pick across my wall clock and each of my plastic spoon handles. This technique definitely helped add additional sturdiness to my overall design. I was happy with the design so far, with the exception of the face of my clock. I didn't like how the fine glitter looked, so I removed my gems. And then I used my Mod Podge to add some medium-sized glitter to the face of my wall clock as well. I already had this glitter at home. I think I purchased it from Walmart for about 88 cents. And I definitely liked how this finish looked. Instead of the fine glitter, I made sure that I added sufficient amount of glitter to the face and along the sides of my wall clock. Once I was happy with my coverage, I shook off any excess glitter and then I added a second layer of the Mod Podge on top to seal my glitter in. Once my face was dry, I re-added my gems and also re-added the hands to my clock. And then I tested the clock to make sure that the hands were properly positioned. I used a craft stick to add a thin layer of the strong adhesive around the edges of the clear gem closest to my wall clock face. And then I placed the clean glass from my wall clock right on top. and I allowed this to dry overnight. To complete the project, I added some of the gemstone stickers around the glass to hide my glue line, remove my glue strings, and here was my finished look. This turned out beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.